Hi guys, on today's video, we're going to show you how to convert your WhatsApp images into JPG format on your PC. It's super simple, so let's dive in. First, open WhatsApp on your PC. You'll need to scan the QR code with your phone just like you normally would. Once you're in, find the image you want to convert in your chat and click on it to open it. Next, click the download button to save the image to a PC. Now that the image is on the PC, we'll convert it. Open the browser and search for online image converter. A site like I Love IMG or Convert.io works great for this. Go to the website and click select image to upload the WhatsApp photo you just downloaded. Now choose JPG as output format and hit convert. The site will quickly convert your image. Once it's done, just click download and you'll have your WhatsApp image in JPG format ready to use. And that's it. Your WhatsApp image is now in JPG format on your PC. Easy, right? If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick tips. Thank you for watching.